Hello, I'm back. It's dinner time. It is 7:34. I'm just prepping some meats that I got in today. So this is the ground goat meat I made into patties. So I got four 4-ounce patties. I'm fixing one now for dinner, and then this is 3. So I'm gonna put these in a Ziploc bag and put them in the freezer so I could take them out as I go. I'm cooking, I think I cooked 4 or 5 pieces of the the beef bacon. And then tomorrow I'm gonna cook up this cubed goat bone in. So the beef bacon I may have for lunch with some eggs, or just by itself for lunch. And the cubed goat bone in, I'll have that for dinner unless I take something else out for dinner. But I'll be back. Here is my Billy Goat burger and my beef bacon. Now I just tasted a piece of this Billy Goat burger and it tastes just like beef. It don't have a gamey taste. It's very clean. Wow. I mean, to me, it tastes like a beef hamburger, just with a slight different taste to it. But if I was about to tell you that this was goat, you would just think it was a hamburger. Hey, Billy Doe, y'all playing games with me? With this Billy Goat burger? That tastes like hamburger to me, but it's good. I just seasoned that with some adobo and some Redmond sea salt, and I seasoned the beef bacon with the Redmond smoked hickory. And it don't taste like the Korean beef, like rib. It tastes like beef, but I can't put my finger on what it tastes like. I can't really say it has a ribeye taste, but again, it's good. Billy Doe. So far, you got a thumbs up for me. Why is this thing not? Oh, there you go. They got a thumbs up for me. I don't know if I remember to say this, but if you're in their area of Illinois, you have to go to their website to see what part. They do have a meat market. They have a brick and mortar storefront meat market that you can go buy everything that you see online for them in their meat market. If you live, I'm not sure of the mileage, but I'm thinking if you live within the area, maybe up to an hour, I don't know, they have free shipping as long as you order $150 worth of meat. So, yeah, I would say even if you're 2 hours away, it's worth the trip for quality meat. And the prices are not bad. It's just the shipping that kick you in the butt. But the prices on their meat is not bad at all for great quality. And again, they are an halal meat company, which is similar to kosher, Jewish kosher. So hopefully I got that part right. So yeah, I mean, I would drive an hour and a half if I lived in the area. If I lived an hour and a half, hell, even 2 hours, I would drive to the store and I would just do all my meat shopping and drive my butt back home. Is you know, make it a once a month type of thing. You know what I'm saying? You drove over an hour for something much less worth it. So yeah, go check out their website, Billy Doe Meats. Here's how you spell the name, Billy Doe Meats. They are on Instagram and Facebook. And take advantage of the sales and stuff that they have on the shipping. It'll say it right on the home page. Soon as you go on the website, you know, if you order this amount of meat, you get this amount off on shipping. Again, to me, it was just worth it just to do the $350 for free shipping, because that's my meat basically for the month, and I still have a lot of meat from the last couple of months of me shopping. So yeah, go check them out. Tell them LashawnTerry sent you. And until tomorrow, peace, because this is my dinner. I won't be eating anymore tonight. So, and I got my Sans Pellegrino and my lemon wedge in there. I put 2 dropperfuls of Keto Child electrolytes in there, and hopefully the rest of my electrolytes and stuff will come Monday. They just shipped it out today. So I ordered the tablets, and I ordered a really big bottle. I didn't know the electrolytes came in a bigger bottle than what I had. I just didn't pay attention, probably, most likely. But they do have the pills and the liquid drops, and so I ordered both because I can taste the electrolytes. If I put it in my water, it just seems like it, I don't know, it muddies down the water to me. And when I put it in sparkling water, I don't taste it because of the minerals and sparkly, what they call it, I can't get it out, but the whatever makes it sparkly, carbonated, the carbonation in it masks the taste of the electrolytes, especially if you put in more than 2 drops of the electrolytes in. I could just taste it. Maybe my taste is very sensitive. Some people may not taste it, but I can taste it. Like I said, I can taste when it's in there. It just, it's sodium and potassium and magnesium. I could just tell the difference, and I don't like the taste in my water when I put it in plain water. So for me, I got the tablets because they're just easier. Like, I do a full 5 drops. You can do more than that, especially if you sweating a lot, you work out, you going to work, you're on your feet, you walking around, you know, you want to do more. But I do 5 drops, 5 full droppers in my workout water. And then when I come back home, I may do like 2 or 3. This way I could just take the tablets, you know, I could take 1 or 2 tablets and be done with it, whether I drink water or not. So that's just my preference. But they have tablets and they have the liquid electrolytes. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye. Hello, happy Sunday. Hope everybody had a great weekend, and y'all get a great start to your Monday. Excuse the TV. But right here I have some bone-in cubed goat and lamb. What I did was let me turn this TV off. Okay. First, let me say, if you are new here, welcome. My name is LashawnTerry. Have a seat, sit down, you know, look around. Click that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you'll know when I upload. Give me that thumbs up on the way in too. And don't forget, if you are looking to try Keto Child, in every one of my comments, I will pin a link with the discount code for you to get 10% off your order. It does not expire, so you can continue to use the discount code. They have great electrolytes. They have great meal replacement shakes. They have their magnesium I use, which is really good. I love their products. So give it a try. I'm not just saying this just because I have an affiliate code. I've been using their stuff since about end of January, February, I think. Somewhere around there, I started trying their products, their shakes and everything. And so it's basically a part of my shopping. When I do my shopping for the month, I order my Keto Child, especially the magnesium and the electrolytes. So now that I got that out the way, this is cubed bone-in goat and lamb. How I fixed it was first, I seasoned it up, wrapped it in aluminum foil, and put it in the oven for about 2 hours on 250. Kind of like just to let it cook through a little bit, but get really tender. And once I did that, I came downstairs. It's a little after 9. I'm about to eat dinner, my third meal. I just put them in a frying pan with a little bit of oil, my beef Wagyu oil, cooking oil, just a little tiny bit. And I just let it brown and stuff. And then once I finished letting it brown, I put I had some heavy raw cream that I wanted to use up before it went bad. So I just poured the rest of that. How much you want in it is up to you. And then I put about a tablespoon of butter in it. And this is it. Put it in my bowl and poured I also squeezed a little bit of fresh lemon juice in here too. So just squeeze the fresh lemon juice into the cream mix, add the butter, let it melt, take your meat out and pour it over your meat. So I've had the goat ground beef. I think this is a piece of goat. That's good. Delicious. So you can do this with any type of meat. You could do it with chicken, fish, whatever. It's just a butter lemon cream sauce. You can do it with pasta as well if you're one. For all my people that are not keto carnivore, you can kind of do the recipes that I give with however way you eat. So I will see y'all tomorrow. Y'all have a good night, a good day wherever you're at, and have a great start to your week tomorrow, Monday. Peace.